Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
So this one is now one ọ̀kan. You now say one ọ̀kan. So I can say ọ̀kan, ọ̀kan. I can say ọ̀kan. I can say ọ̀kan, ọ̀kan. Ìkíní, we also say one. Ìkíní in Yoruba. We can say ìkíní. We can say èkíní. You can say èkíní. Èkíní. This one is the short form. Èkíní. So you can see now. Ìkíní, èkíní. I can say ẹyọkan, ẹyọkan, ẹyọkan. They are all mean one. They are all mean one. So two also. I've said èjì. So I can say èjì. I can say ìkejì. Ìkejì. I can say èkejì. So I can say méjì. Méjì. So also they say many, can also say many. Many, méjì. Many, méjì. So this one, I'm going to rub one out of this one now, so that I now put n, which is many, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin, márùn. So this one is ìkíní, which is the short form of it. So this one is èkíní. So I'm going to write it. Many, méjì. So you can see now. Méjì, ìkejì, èjì, ìkejì, méjì. So this one also ẹ̀ta, ìkẹta, mẹ́ta. They are all the same thing. You know, when I'm counting something, it might be in the position. So I can say ìkíní. The first position is ìkíní. The second position is ìkejì in Yoruba. So or maybe I'm counting something. I can say many, méjì, mẹ́ta. Maybe I'm counting something like maybe a tuber of yams or tables, and they are all plenty. I can say many, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin, márùn. So this one is ọ̀kan, ìkíní, méjì. Many. Ọ̀kan, ìkíní, méní, ẹyọkan. Èjì, ìkejì, méjì. 3, ẹ̀ta, ìkẹta, mẹ́ta. Èjì, you know I put sign before. So èjì. We are not putting anything. Èjì. Dodo. I've done that one before. Ẹ̀ta, is ẹ̀ta. Ìkẹta, mẹ́ta. Méjì. Is a, so I'm not going to put anything. Many, is a also. Many, méjì, mẹ́ta, is mẹ́ta. So this one is for ẹ̀rin. So we can also say ìkẹrin, mẹ́rin, 5, àrún. You know, I've told you that also carry un. Àrún. So ìkarùn, I can say ìkarùn, márùn, márùn. You know, the other time I say èjì, ẹ̀ta, èjì, ìkejì, méjì. So also èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin. I've done that one before. So this one also àrún, àrún. I write it down here. Àrún, àrún. We've learned that one before. So this one is now 6. It will be ẹ̀fà, ẹ̀fà ẹ̀fà ìkẹfà mẹ́fà ẹ̀ẹ́fà one ọ̀kan. I told you that you can say o, you can use this one as o, you can say ọ̀kan, you can say ọ̀kan ìkíní. Many, you can also say ẹyọkan ẹyọ, they all means one. Èjì ìkejì méjì èjì ẹ̀ta, which is three. Ìkẹta mẹ́ta ẹ̀ẹ́ta we are going to put sign. This one is èjì ẹ̀ẹ́ta. Now ẹ̀rin ẹ̀rin, you can see ìkẹrin ẹ̀rin ìkẹrin mẹ́rin you put sign. Ẹ̀ẹ́rin, you also put sign. Ẹ̀ẹ́rin àrún ìkarùn márùn àárùn ẹ̀fà ìkẹfà, you put sign. Ìkẹfà mẹ́fà, you put sign also. Ẹ̀fà ẹ̀fà. Now seven èje ìkeje méje èje. Look at it now. Èje you put sign because this one is G. Èje ìkeje ìkeje méje méje èje eight ẹ̀jọ ìkẹjọ mẹ́jọ ẹ̀ẹ́jọ. So nine, continue. Nine ẹ̀sán ìkẹsàn mẹ́sàn ẹ̀ẹ́sàn ẹ̀wá ìkẹwàá mẹ́wàá ẹ̀ẹ́wàá. Now look at it now. Ẹ̀jọ, I put sign. Ẹ̀sán you also put it. Ẹ̀wá you also put it. Ìkẹsàn ìkẹwàá ìkẹ́ is so you do sign. Mẹ́wàá mẹ́jọ méje ẹ̀ẹ́wàá remidomi. I put sign before for the tonation. So we are going to read it again now. So when we are reading it in Yoruba, we now read it as if as we are reading it offhand. So one ọ̀kan, two èjì, three ẹ̀ta, four ẹ̀rin, five àrún, six ẹ̀fà, seven èje, eight ẹ̀jọ, nine ẹ̀sán, ten ẹ̀wàá. Look at it now. One ọ̀kan, I taught you the other time. One ọ̀kan, two èjì, three ẹ̀ta, four ẹ̀rin, five àrún, six ẹ̀fà, seven èje, eight ẹ̀jọ, nine ẹ̀sán, ten ẹ̀wàá. So these are the numbers from 1 to 10 in Yoruba language. So we want to go further now from 11 to 20 now. But before we go further from 11 to 20, after 11, so we now be adding and minus in the Yoruba language. So I want to rub it now.